No, I don't want your coffee. I appreciate the offer. They're like, can I send you a cash app? Nope. Your girl has never taken a cash app from nobody. I've never taken a cup of coffee from nobody. No, I want you to be properly trained. And I could sit and say, yeah, send me $30 and I'll tell you what you want to know. I ain't got time for that. I'm running a real business over here. I do not have time for you to shoot me a cash app to tell you what to write on another line. No, I'd rather train you the proper way to do it. And we all know the expression about teaching a man how to fish, and he'll fish forever. If you give him a fish, he gonna be back at your door tomorrow. Hey, can I get another fish? No, no, and no. But if you teach him how to fish, then he will learn how to fish, and he'll even bring you some fish. How about that? So again, back to training. All roads lead back to training. So if I teach you how to properly do what you need to do, if I show you how to grow your business, you're going to, guess what? Leave me a review. Somebody else is going to read the review. Somebody else is going to say, Kimmi knows what she's talking about. Let me join Kimmi's program. And then they're going to win. They're going to go out and fish some more. They're going to do their business. They're going to tell the next person. So you see how it's a big circle. When you do people right, you will be treated right. It's no doubt about it. Now, is everybody going to value you? No, we talked about that in our training session last night. Okay? Everyone's not. Even with my program, there are going to be some people that got something to say about it. Okay? That's okay. I'm not worried. I sleep at night because I know what I'm bringing to the table. Let's get some of these comments. Hey, Notary fam, it's Kimmi. I am here to let you know, just in case you have not heard about the Notary Business Coaching Success Program. We meet weekly. We talk about your notarial duties, how to do an acknowledgement, how to do a jurat, how to administer an oath, everything you've been asking for. And guess what else is included? Unlimited access to all of my trainings that will also include ink fingerprinting, trust/estate documents, learn how to properly execute a trust. Don't forget, we also have the private community, like-minded notaries who have been trained by me. Check out my book that I've written for each state, How to Start Your Notary Business in Alabama, California. You get the point. Wherever you're located, there's a book for your state. Well, hopefully I'll see you soon over in training. Notary Educators, LLC. We got you covered. Bye. So Kim says, hey, Kim. Kim is in the program. Kim says, Kimmi, you are absolutely correct. I took Mark's course as well, and I still was not confident in getting out there. After coming across your YouTube video, I realized I didn't know what I thought I knew. I appreciate it, Kim. I appreciate it. And again, no shade to Mark's course. Mark focuses on marketing, and again, you will need marketing. I talk about marketing. I have a small marketing course. Ain't nothing that ain't nobody else ain't already talking about. I have many videos on my channel about marketing. I teach marketing. We will be talking about marketing in the business coaching program also, but we're not ready for marketing. We're not ready for marketing. You can find a car dealer, because Jeff and I, we do car inspections too. And when we go to the car dealerships, they're hovering outside and they're looking around, waiting on you to get there, right? You've been to a car dealership before, and they will sell you a car. You might not even have a driver's license, but they'll make sure somebody in your family can help you get that car. Okay. Hey, Tiffany, how are you? Tiffany says, I need training. So again, no shade to anybody else's course, but it just may not be what you need right now. Here at Notary Educators, what we focus on is getting the great foundation, making sure your house is solid. Okay. That's what we focus on. And then we do teach you how to price. I teach you how to market. I teach you how to make it look pretty. I always talk about edible arrangement, making your business page, making your business cards, making sure everything looks the way it needs to look. I'm the queen of that, okay? So I got you covered, but I already know that if you don't know how to properly notarize and you don't know how to do your notarial duties, you have no business. And what I say now, and people love this, I started keeping it in my back pocket. If you don't know what you're doing with your business when it comes to that, you don't have no business doing business. If you don't know your business, you have no business doing business. Okay? That's just facts. Tiffany says, I'm great, thank you. Oh, cool. Welcome, Tiffany. She needs training. Yeah, Tiffany. So check out the Notary Business Coaching Program. Again, we do have the individual courses, you know. So you can check out whichever program works best for you, be it self-paced, or if you would like the access to the trainings and the coaching and the private community. So it's a really nice program. And like I said, we put a lot of thought into it. When I roll it out, it's got to be right. And it's right. It's right. All right, what else do we have? I got a few more minutes, and then we're going to wrap this up. And the question that we started off with was, or the statement is, I can't afford notary training. What's the answer? I cannot afford not to. Sign me up, Kimmi. All right, Tiffany says, yes, I'm playing around with the website, undecided, but I will choose soon. Yeah, and I do. Tiffany, I'm so glad you said that. That's what I tell people. Play around with the website. You know, do you want individual? Do you want group coaching? Do you want private lessons? Because we offer all of it. But there's no way I can go over every single product that we offer. You know, when you go to buy a car, you got your car, your basic, different models, right? You got your SE, you got your S, you got your X, you got your XL, you got your turbo package or whatever. We have plenty of packages for you to choose from. So you just got to kind of take your time and see which package works for you. But whatever you buy with us, I can guarantee you this, you will not be disappointed. What you see here on YouTube, the way we teach here, is the way we teach everything. Okay? And I got this guy I listen to. You guys might want to check him out. Oh, and y'all probably heard of him. I think his name is Nehemiah, or he goes by Neil. He says in the opening of his videos, and I love watching him. He's a YouTuber, does business stuff. And he says, the way you do anything is the way you do everything. Now, I'm sure he didn't write the quote, okay? He didn't write the quote, but he always says that. And I feel the same way, too, even when it comes to our teaching here. When he says that, I'd be like, yes, preach, because that's how we do. What you see here is, imagine if what we do here was behind the scenes. Come on now. Let's do some critical thinking. Critical thinking. All right, what else going on? We got about 3 minutes. We're going to wrap it up. What's going on? I see some more people have joined us. Any questions you have about notary training, about our program? Where are you in your business? What are your thoughts about training? Anything you want to add while we're live? While we are live. Okay. What else been going on with notary educators? So we've been focusing a lot on the coaching program. Monday nights are back. Trying to be a little more consistent with that. Going live more frequently throughout the week is still my plan. I'm still trying to do it. I wish I could tell y'all every day at 3 o'clock I'll be here. I wish I could, but I can't because I'm an actual notary signing agent / apostille agent / So I cannot commit to a certain time, except Mondays at 6. I try to clear my calendar for that. And of course, for our coaching sessions, that's state. I have those on my calendar. I'm actually in Georgia, Anissa. Yes, I'm in Georgia, but I teach all 50 states. It doesn't matter where you're located. We have students in the program from everywhere. My most challenging state, I would say, is California. But even California, it is what it is. Their laws are a little bit different than everybody else's. So if I could teach California people, honey. Oh, that's so funny. You're in California. That's so funny, Anissa. Oh, not to dog you guys out. You know what? It's so hilarious. I walked into something the other day, a few weeks ago. One of my students had made a comment, and I was like, yeah, somebody put in there about their business name and whatever. And the person was like, that was me. Funny. So Anissa, yes, but we teach people from California, so you are more than welcome. Matter of fact, I got an Arizona student. I don't have a California in my group right now, but we've taught many throughout the years. You can go back and watch the student reviews on our live trainings on the Notary Educators. Go under student reviews and you can see some of the reviews from the past students, okay? I know, Anissa, I'm over here cracking up. Yeah, but California is my most difficult state as far as laws are concerned. But again, we notarize documents from all 50 states, international, whatever. So All your documents are not going to come from California. Tiffany's in New York. Yep, you're more than welcome, New York. Tiffany, New Yorkers are welcome.